Hi guys, welcome to today's video, how to earn money online without investment. I know most of us are looking for a way to make money online and to support our business, or we are in one way and the other looking for side hustle that we can do to make money online. So in this video today, I'll be showing you platform or site that you can make money from without investing a dime. So if this is what you are looking for, make sure you watch this video to the end. And I'm also adding one bonus to it, because the last one I'm going to share with you is actually capable of making you thousands of dollars every single month. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you won't miss the last one I am going to share with you guys. So if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, my name is freelancer. I make videos around making money online, affiliate marketing, blogging, and every other information that has to do with making money online. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. So when next I publish videos like this on YouTube will get to notify you of my new uploads. So make sure you subscribe so you won't miss my next video, and also turn the notification bell to all so that YouTube will notify you of my new upload. So guys, let's dive into what we have today: how to make money or how to earn money online without investment. So my number one recommendation, as you can see right here in my screen, is Future Point. Future Point is a survey website. Is where you get rewarded for your time, for your activity, for completing tasks and surveying or watching videos. So this is a platform that rewards you to do all of that. This platform will also reward you to install app. They also reward you to play games. They also reward you to watch videos and so many other things. So Future Point is a cool platform where you can make money without spending a dime. So all you need to do is come to the platform right here, click on sign up here, then sign up an account. It's completely free. Verify your account via the email I'm going to send to you, and you get started working with the platform. This is it. All you need to do is input your email and continue. And once you're able to earn $10, you can withdraw your money. And there are various ways which you can withdraw your money. I mean various method or payment method which you can use to withdraw your money. They have Amazon card, they have PayPal, and if you want to withdraw with Amazon, as you can see on my screen, you can withdraw it with a minimum of $10. This one you can also withdraw minimum of $50. PayPal, you can withdraw minimum of $25. So if you are looking for a platform on how to earn money online without investment, I will encourage you to try Future Point. It's actually legit. I tried it myself and other people have tried it. It's working, and I am sure if you will put the work that it's required, that is also going to pay you. So go ahead and sign up an account and get started with Future Point. So my number two in my screen, as you can see right here, is TimeBank. I'm into this particular platform actually, and if you want to know more about TimeBank, do let me know at the comment section. I will make video for you guys on how to make money on TimeBank. On TimeBank, you can see it's also a survey website that you get paid to watch video. As you can see it on my screen here, you get paid to watch video, you get paid to view funny slideshow, you get paid also to install apps, you also get paid to sign up on website, and you also get paid to answer surveys and more. So in this platform, there are so many ways that you can make money. It's not only limited to these 6 few things. So there are so many ways that you can make money from this platform. So I also recommend you give TimeBank a try. It's also paying, it's also cool, and they also have referral program. I'm going to leave my link at the description of this video, so you can use my link to sign up a free account and you can get started with this platform. Like I said, if you want to know more about TimeBank, do let me know. Leave the comment at the comment section of this video and I will make video for you guys on how you can make money with time banks. So time bank is my number 2 favorite in my list, where you can earn money online without investment. So my number 3 on my list here is Time. Time is also another cool place that you can earn money online. On Time, you get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey you complete. That is amazing. If you're able to complete 10 surveys a day, you stand a chance of earning $10. If you're able to complete 20 a day, you stand a chance of getting $20. So Survey Time is another platform which will help you generate some dollars online. Actually, they're not going to make you rich or other, but I'm sure it's a side hustle that is capable of dropping some money into your bank account. So my third recommendation for you in my list here is Survey Time. Survey Time is also a survey website that rewards you to perform some tasks. They reward you to install app, play games, watch video. And the amazing thing about Survey Time is once you are able to complete any task, you stand a chance of earning $1. And these commissions, you can withdraw them or you can get your reward either through PayPal, Amazon, and so many other means that you can use to withdraw your money. So I recommend that you also try Survey Time. It's also cool if you are looking for a way to earn money online without any investment. Like I told you, make sure you watch this video to the end, because my last one is going to be bonus for you, and it's going to help you. If you are able to put in the work on that platform, you're able to make at least thousands of dollars for yourself every month. So my number 4 in my list here is a Swap Bank. Most of us know about Swap Bank, because if you check my channel here, I'll be making videos about Swap Bank. So Swap Bank is another perfect place that you can make money. This platform rewards you with SB points. That is what they reward you with. They reward you with SB points, which you can convert or redeem these SB points with either Amazon cards, PayPal, Pioneer, and so many other methods. So and once you're able to accumulate 1000 SB points, you can convert it or redeem it to dollars or to paper form or whatever, or you can use it to purchase something on online store. So Swap Bank is another platform that is cool. It's a very nice place that you can also make money online without investment. And all these platforms I've talked about, all you need to do is sign up a free account. You're not paying for any of it. Sign up a free account and you get started working with this platform, and you'll be amazed the result you are going to be getting if you are able at least to put in 30 minutes per day into this platform. If you're able to put in 30 minutes or 40 minutes into it every day, you'll be surprised the result or money you are going to earn at the end of the week or at the end of the month. So Swap Bank is another cool platform where you can play games, watch video, complete survey, complete some simple tasks, and you get paid for it. So all you need to do is come here, input in your email address, then put in your password, confirm password, click agree to terms and condition, and you sign up and your account will be created. But one thing you should know about this particular platform is that if you don't have a strong network, you are going to have issues while signing up. So it is better you have a strong network, or you wait a bit tonight, then you can sign up on this platform so that you're not going to have issue while signing up. So my number 51 on my list here is Sense. Most of us know about Sense. Sense was initially ClickSense, but it has been changed to Sense. Sense, this particular platform has been for years, I think since 2013, or so. So this platform has been for years and it has proven to be legit. And you can see the amazing thing here are the companies partnering or working with this particular company that showing you that this particular platform is legit and it has been paying. So all you need to do is come down here, use the link at the description of this video to join Ysense. It's completely free. You're not paying a dime. All you need is just your email address right here. You put in your email, your password, and click on agree, then you click join. It's very simple as ABC. In this platform, you earn from paid surveying, you earn from offers, you earn from the affiliate program. They have affiliate program that pays you 30% of what your referral earn. Now this is what I mean. Let's assume your referrals were able to generate $100. Once they earn the $100, then Ysense are going to pay you 30% of the $100. They're going to pay them the $100 complete, but they're going to commission or pay you another extra 30% from the $100, rewarding you for bringing active member to their platform. So Ysense is another cool place that you can actually look out to try and see how it goes for you. It's a nice place. I'm also working on the platform, and you can use it as a side hustle to generate some dollars online for yourself. So go ahead and sign up and begin to perform those surveying tasks and watch videos and play games and store app and complete offers, and you get paid for it. And all these platforms, these 5 platforms I've mentioned, Future Point, Surveying Time, Swapbank, Ysense, and rest of them, they pay with PayPal, they pay with gift card, they pay with Amazon card, they pay with Payoneer. Any method that you want, they pay with any method that you want. Some of them even pay with Bitcoin, like like Timebank pay with Bitcoin. So any method that you want to use to cash out your money, you are not going to have challenges, because all these platforms have easy ways or method or easy payment method that you are going to use to withdraw your payment. So like I promised you in the beginning of this video, that the last thing I'm going to show you is what you are going to use to generate good money for yourself, and that platform is what we call Fiverr. Fiverr is another cool platform that you can actually make a lot of money for yourself. A lot of people, a lot of Nigerians have become millionaires through Fiverr. It's not a platform you just overlook, or because you see that it has been oversaturated, then there is no way of you making money from Fiverr. Fiverr, people are still making millions of naira, dollars every single month on Fiverr. All you need, that you want to make money online and you don't want to make any investment, and you have a scheme. Let's, for instance, you can write content, you're a copywriter, or you're a graphic designer, or you're a web designer, or you can design logo or anything. You can just come to this platform, sign up an account as a gig. It's completely free. All these amazing platforms that are going to help you to make money online are completely free. You are not paying for it. All you need is to sign up an account, list what the services you offer your gig, and you see people hailing you, taking you to work for them. Now let's check something. Let's look at content writing here. You can see I've not even finished writing it, I've just typed it. You see it has started bringing suggestions. You see content writer, online course content, Amazon plus content, Instagram content creator, social media content creator. You see this platform Fiverr is a very powerful platform that can help you to make money online for yourself. You can see that they even have search engine system that will help you whenever you are typing something to bring in those suggestions to you. Now let's check out this content writer and see what they are going to show to us. Let's see. And this platform is a place that you can even list your gig, just maybe for $5, $10. As time goes on, you can upgrade your package to big amount of money. You see, services that people love for superb work. No, we are not signing up. You see that these are the people offering these services on Fiverr. You can see them. Look at this one is selling this gig for $10. This one is selling this gig for $45. I said I will write compelling content for you. For $45, I will be your SEO website content writer, article and blog writer. $100. This one is also selling for $125, and so many. Here is a platform where you can sell your skin, your gig, where you list what you do and people will hire you to do it. And now the amazing thing now is that there are so many amazing AI tools that you can use. Look at ChatGPT. You can go to that platform. It's completely free. You can completely free, sign up an account, and you come here, list your gig as content writer or content creator, and once someone hear you, you take that keyword, go to GPT, type it, and it generates content for you. All you need to do is just edit and submit, and you get your money. So it's completely, now is the easiest way or easiest time to make money online. So you can see people doing simple things and they are making money online. Look at this, $5, $30. If you want to get started, just get started with $5. So once you accumulate some stars, you can upgrade your package. So Fiverr is another cool place where you can make money online without any investment. So guys, these are the platform or website where you can make money online without investment. If you get value from this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget that to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. So once I upload videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. So guys, see you again in my next video.